Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Kimmy. Today we're going to show you how to cook Buddha delights, a vegetarian meal for first day of Chinese New Year. I will show you all the ingredients. Let's start now. Baby sweet corn, mangetout, red dates, lotus, carrot, fungus stick, vermicelli, Chinese mushroom, and black fungi. Clove or garlics. We're cooking in the low heat, so we just turn the gas on and pour a tablespoon of cooking oil and then add the garlics in and the red fungus. Give them a good fry. Add a Chinese mushroom. So fry in a really low heat. Just want to get out the best taste of Chinese mushroom. Added a carrot and the lotus, and then give them a good stir. And a baby sweet corn, mangetout. Just keep stirring, give them a good fry. The red dates and the black fungi all together, and the dry fungus stick. I can smell, tastes lovely now.
Question for Chef Kimmy. How long does this dish usually take to make?
It only takes less than 10 minutes to cooking it, but all the ingredients you need to soak in at least for 4 hours, like vermicelli, Chinese mushroom, and the black fungi and the fungus stick. Add 80 ml water. So just to give them a good mix. Vermicelli. Pinch of pepper and pinch of salt and tablespoon of soy sauce, teaspoon of sesame oil. So give them a really good stir and mix together, and now you can still see lots of sauce. We just keep mix them until all the vegetable absorb all the water and sauce until they're a little bit drier. So that will be cooked.
Chef Kimmy, when do you make and eat this dish?
And normally we make it in first day in the Chinese New Year. In our family, we always eat a vegetarian the first meal for the Chinese New Year.
Another question, do you have to use all the ingredients that you've used?
No, you don't have to. Put whatever is available for you and whatever vegetable you like. Thank you for watching it. Please subscribe our channel and give us a like.